Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making an Easter shaker memory dex card. Now for this video, I will be using some Echo Park stickers that came in their Hello Easter kind of collection. But I'm also using a file that was created by Shara Crane. So I am part of this Facebook group called Loaded Envelope Galore and More. And Shara Crane is a designer for this next month, and she shared the file with everybody. But she also has shared the file on her video where she showed you guys how she makes this star shaker. So I will link that video down below. But I am using that file to create my Easter memory dex card. So I cut out the front and the back piece. These pieces are going to go together like this. Then I also cut out a whole bunch of these outline pieces. I have 8. So 4 of them are on just like some thicker like paper that you could print on, and 4 of them are on 110-pound cardstock. I was originally going to do them all on this, but then I was like, you know what, let me try this, and then the 110-pound ended up cutting out just fine. So I am going to stack all 8 together because I want that height that you could get with foam, but instead of using foam, I'm just going to be doing it this way, and it also makes it sturdier this way as well. So we are going to put everything together, and I will just do the rest being a process video because you guys could watch Shara Crane's video on how to do this, but it's very simple. You're just cutting out pieces and then gluing them together. So I'm just going to do a process video of how I am making my Easter memory dex card. So stay tuned and let's get started. Yeah, so I realized I messed up a little bit. I was planning on putting this in between, but that's not really going to give me the sturdiness I need for my memory dex card. I should have just cut out the whole entire thing, the whole entire memory dex card piece, and then layered that on top. But since I didn't, what I need to do now, this is going to have to go on top like this. But what I need to do is cut out another layering piece to go on top, and I'm going to cut out 110-pound cardstock out of the memory dex card so that it is sturdy in between. Okay, so I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I was going to do a process video of how I am decorating this, but me putting this together just took a lot of time, especially since I decided I would do some stitching. So I will end this video and I'll do a process video in another video, if that makes sense. I will still do a process video. She's not going to be part of this video because it's getting really long. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I put together this Star Shaker Memory Decks. I think it's so cute, even if you just wanted to leave it like this, but we are still going to take it one step further and decorate it for Easter. So I will be back with another video, and until then, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you guys like this. Again, if you guys want this SVG file, I will have a link down to Shara Crane, her video where she linked her SVG file if you guys want to get it as well for this little Star Shaker Memory Deck. It is adorable. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.